Hello out there in YouTube world, I'm Clarence, the how-to automotive repair guy. This video is on how to repair and troubleshoot a fuel leak on a 1965 Chevrolet Impala that's equipped with a 454 big block engine. Good gracious. It's leaking fuel all over the engine. He don't know where it's coming from, so he asked me to come in and take a look, see if we could figure out what was coming from and go ahead and get the repair done on it. This particular engine is equipped also with a Holley carburetor. This carburetor has a dual float on it, one up to the front and one towards the back. Well, in order to adjust the floats on this carburetor, you got to take a access screw off on the front float and the access screw off to the that's located on the back float. Now, once you take the access screws off, it'll give you, you can get to the adjustment screw for the floats inside the carburetor. Now, at the end of the repair video, if you let me know what you thought about this video with a thumbs up or thumbs down, I would really appreciate it. Also, to see more repair videos as they come out, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. And with that being said, let's go ahead on and ease on down to the repair, see if we can figure out what's going on with Cleve's car. Okay, you cut it off. Cut it off. Already got it. Look in the front up there too. It's leaking right here. This seal, as a matter of fact, this screw is loose.
No, that right there, the adjustment screw.
Yeah, but it's loose. That ain't an adjustment screw. That screw is loose. That screw's supposed to be tight. That's not the adjustment screw. See where it's coming out at? You got a screwdriver? Let me get a flat tip screwdriver.
Where it's coming out at?
Right here. It's a seal right here.
No, it was coming from around here though.
Boss, I swear to God, and look. See what's pouring out? It's pouring out right there. Right there. Swear to God. That's not your adjustment screw for it though.
So
yeah, it's leaking right here. Let me get a flat tip. I'm gonna fix this. This ain't gonna cost you but $1,000 for this here.
Yeah, you sure can. Cause why was it leaking around here? It was just
it's running down.
And in the back too?
Yeah, well it's running down and the fan blows it to the back. Your fan right here?
Okay.
It's blowing it to the back. Let me get a flat tip.
Oh, a big one?
Yeah, number 2, medium size. Yeah, just tighten it right there. Okay, leak fixed now.
What about this one? Tighten it?
But that one ain't leaking, but tighten it. Just check it to make sure it's tight. Yeah, it's good. Leak fixed. Cleve, that'll be $1,000.
Let me see that. What caused that to go slack though?
I'm not sure. It may have just worked it way loose like that. And it smooths out a little bit. Check it out now, please. See? Hell, she drives a whistle now. Yep, this is Clarence, and we have already cracked the case. This is a 65 Chevrolet Impala. 454.
That sucker was
454. Boy. Because I'm Clarence, and today is automotive guy from YouTube, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna stop that leak. We got that leak stopped. And
that sucker was just skiing out of that hump turn.
Yeah, that screw was dancing. That screw up top was just dancing. It was loose. I swear for cheese and crackers, that screw was loose.
I gotta call my brother right now and let him know that.
Yeah, well, once I come out here, oh man, this is clean, Cleve.
No, she's dirty, man.
You want to sell it?
No, sir.
You can make the check out to Clarence.
Number gas.
Oh yeah, that's pure gas, man.
And that sucker was leaking while I was coming down 95.
I am Clarence, and this afternoon I'm working on helping one of my friends with a 1965 Chevy Impala. He got a 454 in it. He got a fuel leak and a radiator leak, but we got the radiator leak fixed and the fuel leak fixed. Okay, my name is Clarence, and that's pretty much going to do it. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, give me the thumbs up or thumbs down, and please head to the channel and subscribe to the channel. There was a fuel leak that was repaired coming off the top of the carburetor the other day. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you like it, and thumbs up or thumbs down. That's an old leak. Let's see. 1965 Chevrolet Impala with a 454. That's a lot of engine. And we'll see you at the next video. If you got one you want to see, let me know.